Hello gang, how's everybody doing? I hope you're enjoying this full moon. Today we're going to talk about this tattoo pen that I got here. It's from Ever Beauty and I tried it already. I just got it like a couple of days ago and it's so awesome. It's really good to make like fine lines. So I've already like done most of my makeup, but the only thing I haven't done is my line, so we're gonna do it together. So you're just gonna start on the inner corner of your eye, and you're gonna work your way out. When you get to the corner, you're gonna pull up. And then you're gonna close it in with the other side. Oh wait, no, we're not gonna close it in because it's pharaonic style. So then to get to this area here, you're gonna go like this. Now the other side. And then again, and now to do the end, I mean the bottom, the bottom part, we're gonna do this. You're going to start here. You can tweak it however you want it, if you want it more curvy. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of today, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for everyone that has already subscribed, and please comment and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see, what you like, what you don't like. Also let me know. It's cool with me. And now we're gonna top it with mascara. You can use fake lashes. I don't like wearing fake lashes because my lashes are already long. So I just use mascara. I just pack it on there real well. Hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful full moon. And whatever it is that you're going through, take it easy. There's a lot of energy going around. You know, like not chapters. What is the word that I'm looking for? Cycles. There's a lot of cycles being closed right now. And stuff like that. So just be patient and, you know, try to live one day at a time. Enjoy them now. Don't stress. You know what I'm saying? Just try to enjoy yourself. Sometimes I wear fake lashes, but I like the individual ones. One day we'll do those. We'll do individual lashes. So ladies, this is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll put all the information below as if to where to get this and what kind of mascara I used and all that stuff. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye. Loves you.